If you have installed multiple mics on your system, then how to set the one as the default mic? Here is the trick. On your taskbar, right click on the speaker and then click on sounds. Here you will see in the recording section the different types of microphones or mics inserted or installed on your system. For example, here I have two mics, one microphone from the webcam and another microphone from Green Arrow S13 Pro. Right now I have disabled this microphone, web microphone. If you right click, you can see enable, set as default device, set as default communication device. You can enable and then you can set as the default recording microphone or mic on your system. I will show you. If I click on the Green Arrow S13 Pro, here you can see it is the default microphone on my system. Here you can see the default device. You can change any device or any microphone or mic as your default recording device. After selecting the mic as the default recording device, click on apply and then click on OK. This is how we can set the important and working mic as the default recording mic or microphone on your system. If you find this video very useful and informative, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.